guys, this is Slime Girl, and I'm gonna open this new one. And
First things, we have to give them time to read this. Wait, it's so empty there. It's a little bit not nice. I'm gonna just read it. Some princess explore castle stall. Some princess dance at the ball. Huh. It's a little bit blurry.
it's okay, it can be fixed.
It's a little bit blurred. So I'm doing it for you. Okay, Pea Pie. Just shake the phone. I hope it's
Just
not blurred.
break it.
Don't worry, I know how to fix that.
Okay.
I'm gonna read.
Don't just stop.
I'm gonna read the poem of the princesses. Okay, I'll
Just,
stop.
just hold it.
Oh, it's not blurry. Oh, sorry. Some princess explore castle stall. Some princess dance at the ball. Some love to fly to the. Wait, again. Some princess explore castle stall. Some princesses dance at the ball. Some love to sing and dance with friends. Some love to fly to the world's furthest ends. Some of them call a small cottage home. Some are brave and some are bold. And whether their hair is red, brown, or gold, all of them are beautiful to behold. Some dream of princess and love ever after. All of them have gentle hearts full of laughter. And whenever you dream, whenever you smile, whatever you say and whatever you do, something inside makes you a princess too. Okay, now you can open it. Oh my eye.
That was wrong.
Ariella.
Oh my god. It's so hard to open.
Let me try. Can you hold the camera?
No.
Use your power. Use your power. New mermaid friend, guys. Can't you wait? Eek.
Yeah, and I'm gonna go see my face. And I'm excited. Hey, Mommy, can you open this for me?
So, guys, and this is I'm old mermaid. I'm Silver for short. I'm Sylvia for long. And I can't wait. And that is Star.
Yes.
Okay.
And my full name is Starry.
Yeah, that's her long name, Starry. And her long name is Starry. I'm Sylvia for again, and that's my sister.
Can we do this and you put your hand up? Wait, I'll fix it. There and there. Ta-da.
Some of them has colorful hairs, other color.
Yeah, mine either have blue.
Okay, now you can open. Bye. Mommy's gonna open it. This is our mama. Mommy.
So bad.
I know it's hard to open. Use my mouth. Oh, there, it's opened.
Okay, give it.
She needs some scissors.
Yeah. Can you get scissors?
No, I can't reach.
Oh my gosh. No, I'm not gonna be touching. Nah.
We could use you as a telescope.
Yeah, you can use it there.
We can use this photo as a telescope. Are you done?
It's almost.
Ariella has a tape on the hair.
No, it's not tape. Ah, sorry for covering.
Oops, another one there. We need scissors now.
Oh yeah, Ariel can take off her mermaid tail.
Yeah, and can
Oh,
you
that's
see?
it.
There's a blue thing.
It's a purple bula. You're so blind.
Yeah.
I almost said the Tagalog word. Tagalog of blind.
What? It's okay. People speak Filipino, right? In YouTube.
Yeah. But what if some of YouTubers watch us?
Yeah.
I can feel the leg. Here, guys. Feel it.
Yeah.
And I can't wait to see the whole. Mommy, are you gonna get the scissors?
Hair is so beautiful. Like just take
Her
it
hair
out.
is so beautiful and straight.
Her hair looks beautiful.
Yeah, she's gonna be our friend from mermaid school. She's gonna be a nice new student, but she still doesn't have the life of the mermaid.
I think I can magic it.
No, me,
Me.
both of us.
Okay.
Okay, put your hands with your magical fingers. Wait, not yet. So guys, I can't wait. It's me. Only 3 students on school.
Mermaid.
Mermaid.
Yeah.
Wait, first things, let me close the door. Say. Closing the door, closing the door. Eh,
Let me lock it.
don't lock it.
La, 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 la.
I'll show you my song first. Blue goes to the dark, but the sunlight. Me!
La, la. I'm making your song much better.
Blue to the sunlight. Not that. Make it a little bit. Make it a little bit. Like. La 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 la.
La, 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 la.
Blue to the sea.
La, 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 la.
Oh, how about Ariel's song? What is that again?
Under
The
the
sea.
sea.
Under the sea. Under the sea. Make it to the under the sea.
She has very, very long hair.
No, it's more longer.
Yeah, it's more longer.
No, I'm longer. Ah!
But hers is much longer than me.
Can't wait to go to mermaid school like this.
And oh no, it's almost that she's almost gonna come out.
She's out. She still doesn't have the life.
Blah. Okay, I got our.
We're gonna show her.
bath. This is our bathtub.
No,
It's Ariel's bathtub.
wait. We gotta show a tour of her first. Then we gave her the life of a mermaid.
Sure. Mommy.
You can have a fit.
Yeah.
Yeah,
Mommy. She's wearing a swimsuit.
but she still doesn't have any clothes.
And her swimsuit looks very pretty. And
Ready
us
to
and
give her the life of the mermaid?
Sure.
Can't wait. We have to put her to the bathtub so she can breathe.
Okay.
Come on, make her lay. Yeah. 1, 2, 3.
Ah, I followed.
Wait, we have to give her a tour. So look at her long hair.
Yeah, it's very long than you.
Okay,
Look at her tail. It's so big.
it's so shiny. Let's see her underwear. Oh my, it looks so beautiful. Now let's give her the life of a mermaid.
1,
2, 3. Abracadabra. Give her the life of a mermaid. Ding. What happened? Where am I?
You're in the
The Mermaid Sea, Atlantic Sea. You're at the ocean, Atlantic Ocean.
And I know my name. My name's
No! I'm gonna call you Ariel.
Oh, that's a nice name.
Hair is more straighter than me. Anyways, let's go to mermaid school.
Ooh, I really like my clothes.
Let's go to mermaid school. Stop talking. Let's go.
Oh,
Now put them out. Put them out. So guys,
we're gonna make another part. Stay tuned.
okay, bye guys. Hope you like it.